Today we are looking at something that impacts every factory, the cost of quality. Most manufacturers think that they know their quality cost until they start calculating it. And almost always it is much higher than expected. To understand why it is like this, we need to break it down what cost of quality includes. So what is cost of quality, or COQ? It is every euro what you need to spend more than expected for assuring that your product meets quality specifications. It breaks down into three bigger parts. First of all, prevention costs, like investments for machinery, training the operators, making sure that all the quality requirements are visible to everybody. Basically, stop defects before they arise. Second of all, appraisal costs, including the inline inspections, end-of-line testing, quality audits, and the labor required to measure and test everything. For third, failure costs, but split into two. Internal failures like scrap, rework, unplanned downtime, and disposal of defective material. And external failures like warranty repairs, customer returns, whatever happens out of the factory. So why cost of quality matters? Measuring cost of quality tells you exactly where your money is leaking. Maybe it's one machine's scrap, maybe it's incorrect setups, maybe it's customer returns from one batch. Most factories think they measure quality, but in reality they are actually measuring and counting good and bad pieces. But they don't know why the defects happen. Defect rate of 1.6 might sound small, but as our cost of quality example shows, it can translate into nearly 2% of extra production costs, and that erodes margin really fast. We know what cost of quality is and why it is important. So how can one company measure it? In a modern MES environment like GlobalReader, quality measurement happens automatically at every production step. That means every product is checked against your quality criteria automatically through sensors, vision system, machine data, and simple operating inputs, all feeding into one real-time digital record. Collecting data means nothing if it doesn't lead to action. First step is you should get real-time alerts. If scrap suddenly spikes on one machine, the right people must be notified immediately, not at the end of the shift or even on the next day. Next, you need to use data for root cause analysis. Don't just look at the defect numbers. You need to drill down into the machine, shift, material batch, or interruption that caused it. That's where the real savings are. Finally, you need to feed these insights back into your planning and maintenance decisions. If one machine is drifting towards higher scrap, you can just adjust workloads or reschedule preventive maintenance before costs rise. If you want to see how GlobalReader reveals true cost of quality in your factory, book a demo today.